Hey, your Rack Doctor here to demonstrate the assembly of our DB4518 dump bin. Now this is a 3-tier dump bin, consists of 2 barrel halves, 3 shelves, and a 2-piece sign frame that goes up top. The 2 barrel halves are exactly identical, and the way they connect is using these 3 metal brackets on both sides connecting to the other side. Now when assembling, you want to start away from you, and you want to make sure the metal bracket is connecting on the second wire in at all 3 levels. So I'm going to get those to line up and pull them apart. Now that that's taut, I'm going to close this clamshell. Now I recommend grabbing about midway down and doing the same thing on the side facing you, and as you line up the middle one, then it's a lot easier to connect the top and connect the bottom. As soon as that's done, again, pull those apart till it's taut. Now the framework is up and ready to go. Now we're going to add the shelves. When you add the shelves, I recommend where your connection points are, you want to be perpendicular to that with this horizontal wire that's in the shelf. We have to drop down from the top, and then it's what we call a straw connection of this wire connecting into these 4 straws that are welded at the bottom. Line up the ones away from you first. And then line up the ones in front of you. Now you do have to do a little bit of pushing them around with your thumbs, but once you get them in place, push down, locks in place. Okay, second shelf, same thing. Horizontal wire, perpendicular to the 2 connection points, down from the top, and we're just going to line up those straws yet again. Again, start away from you, and then line up the ones closest to you. Once it's in, push down. And then the top one. Again, horizontal, perpendicular. Drop in, line up. Using your thumbs I find to be very effective. Push down. So there's the dump bin on itself. Next thing we do is we take the sign frame. Now this bracket actually hooks to the bottom of the shelf, and then it clips right into place. And then you just add the top sign frame. That's it.